Hey guys, just got back from an awesome camping trip this weekend, freshly showered. I feel so good now that I'm clean. Wanted to do an unboxing of a brand new set of boots that I got. These just arrived, picked them up from not Red Wing Direct, but a company in LA called Snake Oil Provisions. Snake Oil Provisions, I miss that they used to be in Long Beach right down the street from me, but they're no longer there. They moved to Highland Park. Still would rather support small business, so picked up these boots from them. They retail for $280. Let's take a look. So they said to size down. I normally fit like a size 10, so I went with a size 9. And what we're looking at. Boom. These are the mock toe boots, sort of your traditional Red Wing style boot. I think that they're the best in the game. I'm not like some sort of crazy boot connoisseur, but they look great. And why I loved these is because they're made out of rough out, which is essentially the other side of leather. I would say it's kind of like suede, but a little bit more crude in a cool way. And because it's not just leather, it will patina or age very, very nicely. It's actually already has a little bit of kind of a look. You know, it's not like perfectly even all the way out. I'll show you guys. So here are the boots. That's my dude Nacho. He's freshly showered, so he's just sort of drying himself off. All right, so you can see in the light here, they're not like all even, which I like, sort of this wabi-sabi look. And what I like about rough out is it does have a nice texture. It's a little bit more unique than some of the standard Red Wings, the mock toes that they have, and they're gonna age and look only better over time. So these are a slate color, I believe, sitting on Vibram Wedge soles. They're wedge soles for sure. I'm not 100% sure if they're Vibram, but anyways, this is the gig. Okay, so now that we have these unboxed, I laced them up. These are the 8863 mock toe slate Muleskinner boots. I don't think that these are actually Vibram soles. They are still seem to be a very sturdy wedge sole. A couple things that I noticed, it has some really cool brass eyelets. I mean, these are just known to last, and they mold to your feet, so they should be really comfortable. Just a kind of different take from just your standard brown ones. What I did notice is these, I don't know if you can really see them, but these shoelaces, a little bit on the cheaper side just because there's no tip on them. All they did was basically press down on them with some sort of heated rod, so they're a little bit stiffer, and then they burn the edges. I don't know how well these are gonna stand up to the test of time. Obviously, I'm gonna rock these the way that they were meant to do. And then, I guess if they don't last that long, I can always just get some new black laces. It's not a huge deal. But on the feet, they fit right. They do run one size small, so the size 9 fits great. And I'll show you an outfit with it on, so you guys can check it out and let me know what you think of how it looks. Okay, here the boots are. It's the following morning. So I've paired this with the Naked and Famous Natural Seed Denim with my Todd Snyder jacket here. That's the whole vibe. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you can do me a huge favor, and if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. It'll help my channel grow tremendously, and that would be greatly appreciated. Thanks so much, gang. Talk to you soon.